Which term best describes the unique true physical shape of the Earth?
Geoid.
The Earth's oblate spheroidal shape is primarily a result of which physical force?
Centrifugal force of rotation.
What is the approximate equatorial circumference of the Earth?
40,075 kilometers.
What is the approximate polar circumference of the Earth?
40,008 kilometers.
The difference between the Earth's equatorial diameter and polar diameter is approximately
43 kilometers.
due to the Earth's oblate shape. Where on the Earth's surface would an object weigh the most?
At the poles.
An object weighs the least at the equator because of the combined effect of maximum centrifugal force and what?
Maximum distance from the Earth's center of mass.
Who was the first Greek philosopher to argue that the Earth is a sphere based on observations of constellations changing during travel?
Aristotle.
Which observation provides the most direct visual proof that the Earth's surface is curved rather than flat?
The circular shadow cast by Earth during a lunar eclipse.
When a ship approaches the shore from the horizon, which part of the ship becomes visible first?
The mast.
The imaginary mathematical surface that represents a global mean sea level in the absence of winds and tides is called the
geoid.
If you travel along a straight line northward from the equator, the altitude of the pole star, Polaris, will appear to
increase.
The mathematical ratio expressing how much an ellipse or spheroid deviates from a perfect circle is called
eccentricity.
What is the approximate radius of the Earth at the equator?
6,378 kilometers.
What is the approximate mean radius of the Earth used globally for general calculations?
6,371 kilometers.
The concept that the gravitational pull on the Earth's surface varies slightly due to uneven mass distribution inside the Earth is mapped using
gravity anomalies.
Which space agency mission created the highly precise Potsdam gravity potato model mapping the Earth's geoid?
ESA, using GOES satellite.
The Bedford level experiment conducted in the 19th century in England was designed to prove
the curvature of the Earth's surface.
the phenomenon where the horizon appears wider and further away as an observer climbs higher above sea level proves that the Earth is
curved.
Who successfully calculated the Earth's circumference in ancient Egypt around 240 BCE using shadows in wells at Syene and Alexandria?
Eratosthenes.
What instrument is primarily used on satellites to measure the exact height of the ocean's surface to determine the geoid?
Radar altimeter.
The state of gravitational equilibrium between the Earth's crust and mantle, which prevents mountains from sinking, is known as
isostasy.
the flattening ratio, F, of the Earth's oblate spheroid shape is approximately
1 in 298.
Because of the Earth's equatorial bulge, which mountain's peak is actually the furthest point from the Earth's absolute center?
Mount Chimborazo.
The true gravitational direction indicated by a plumb line points perpendicular to which surface?
The geoid.
Which coordinate system utilizes the Earth's center of mass as its origin point for global GPS positioning?
Geocentric coordinate system.
The angular distance of a place north or south of the Earth's equator is called
Latitude.
the actual length of 1 degree of latitude increases slightly as you move from the equator to the poles due to
The Earth's flattening at the poles.
the true surface of the Earth, including all mountains, valleys, and ocean trenches, is called the
Topographic surface.
which reference ellipsoid model is currently used as the standard foundational framework for global GPS tracking systems.
WGS 84.
If the Earth were to stop rotating completely, its shape would theoretically become
A perfect sphere.
the speed of Earth's rotation at the surface is highest at which location?
The equator.
What is the approximate surface area of the entire Earth?
510 million sq km.
Approximately what percentage of the Earth's total surface area is covered by oceans and seas?
71%.
The study of the measurement and representation of the Earth, including its gravity field in a three-dimensional time-varying space, is
Geodesy.
which French scientific expeditions in the 18th century confirmed Newton's theory that the Earth is flattened at the poles?
The Lapland and Peru expeditions.
The distance between the Earth's surface and its absolute center is shortest at the
North and South poles.
The theoretical uniform geometric shape that most closely approximates the geoid for mapping coordinates is the
Reference spheroid ellipsoid.
which force acts outward from the axis of rotation, causing the Earth's material to bulge at the equator?
Centrifugal force.
The Earth's absolute volume is approximately estimated to be around
1 trillion cubic kilometers.